Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you have a code such as P0597, stay with us, guys. We'll explain what needs to be fixed, what needs to be replaced in order to turn your engine light off, guys, and for that code not to come back. Quick introduction, guys. We'll have more than 200 videos, guys, on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why, guys? Because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all that work that we do here, so we can provide you that free information, guys. If you need any tools or parts or anything like that, please check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get the parts for a super good price, guys, and fast shipping as well. That's where we get probably 95% of our supplies, guys. So this Chevy Cruze, guys, okay, I'll go ahead and start it and I'll explain. Engine light is on, and we'll explain, guys, what causes that code P0597 to activate the engine light. The scanner that we'll be using, super inexpensive scanner, guys. In this scanner, it actually can you can see quite a few things with that thing. You can see live data that is very responsive. You can see graphing, guys, for the live data. So if you're on the market for a cheap scanner that can read your engine codes, delete codes, turn the engine light off, and see live data that will help you analyze your problems, consider this one, guys, and you can find the link listed in the description of the video below. So I'll start the car, check it out now. Engine light just stays on, guys. Okay, engine light just stays on. Check it out now. I'll turn the light off so you can see even a little bit better, and engine light just stays on. So what is causing that now, guys? I'm going to turn the car off and we're going to scan the system, and we'll start from there. This is the scanner. We'll click OBD. Okay, getting in OBD now. So next we're going to click yes. This is to erase previously saved data. We have three different parts of the computer that we can read, guys. Usually the codes are the one, okay, with the 8 for our vehicle, but check each one of them. You may have engine codes under each of them, guys, so you never know where it is. Always check each of them. Just click read codes, and now I'm going to select stored and pending codes. That's what you want to check for both of them. Code is P0597, which is thermostat heater control circuit. And the other one under pending, let's check to make sure we don't have another code. It just says 1 out of 1. So this is the code, guys. Let me go ahead, turn the car off, and I'll explain what you need to do, guys, okay, to fix that now. So after, guys, okay, after we turn the car off, now I'll explain what it is. But if you guys decide to fix that problem, guys, you have to make sure that the car is completely cold. Do not drive it for at least one night or 24 hours, because it will involve, guys, draining the coolant in order to replace that part. The part that we refer to, guys, is your thermostat. Okay, that code indicates most likely that you have a thermostat that is bad, guys. And this is the thermostat on Chevy Cruze on 1.8 engine, 1.4. It will be very close as well, guys. This is the whole housing, but the thermostat is only right here on the front part. It's electronic thermostat, guys. Okay, so I'll definitely recommend, guys, okay, to replace the whole housing with the temperature sensor and everything. Everything comes together, guys, so check it out. But this is the connector, and make sure that this connector is plugged in, the wire is not broken, and everything is contacting good. If you still get that code, guys, most likely it's a thermostat and it's time to get a new one. But in order to replace it, you have to drain the coolant. Okay, in order to drain the coolant, you have to make sure the engine is cold. If you want to see how to drain the coolant and replace the thermostat, we have the whole video from start to finish on our channel. Check it out, guys. We'll go ahead, replace ours, and we'll see if that fixes the problem. That's the purpose of today's video. Now, if you want to see the replacement, as I said, the video will be on the channel. So let's go ahead and replace it now. So thermostat has been replaced. Now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go ahead and clear the codes. Now if you want to see how to test the thermostat, we have a video on the channel that explains how to know if your thermostat is good or bad. Very helpful video, guys, that can save you quite a bit of money. So we're going to click erase codes. Are you sure you want to do that? Erase them. Perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead, turn the car off, restart it. Okay, and no engine light on, guys. As you can see, everything's perfect. So hopefully, guys, that will take care of your problem. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.